Hey there, I'm Maria, an engineer at Dopt. Dopt is a developer-first product adoption platform. We give you components and SDKs to build better product onboarding education. Today I'm going to show you a checklist we built powered by Dopt. This is a simple 3-step checklist that you can imagine in your app. To progress through the checklist, users can either skip or complete each item. Let's take a look at the flow that powers this experience in the app. Here we have a simple flow with a checklist block that we've configured with a title and body. Similarly, we can see the same for each of its items along with some additional content. Let's see how we might integrate this experience into our app. In our app code, you can see that we're using the Dopt React Checklist hooks package to get the checklist and checklist items state and content. It's super simple. We just plug the flow and block IDs into the hooks. Let's say this flow has been live for a week and we want to check on our user progress. We might be asking questions like how many users have started to flow in the past week, or where does the biggest drop-off occur? If we go to the Analytics tab of the flow, we can see a breakdown at the flow and block level for how many users entered and completed each flow, block, or step. We can also see these metrics across versions. Let's see how our flow is doing in the last week. It looks like 170 users entered the checklist, but only 30 have completed it. If we go into the checklist panel, you'll notice that only 17.6% of users finished the final step of our checklist. All this makes it super easy to understand how users are progressing through a flow and where we might want to iterate. From there, a small update to the flow and a quick code push lets us publish a new version of the flow to our users. Here we can also see the list of users that have started this flow and their current progress. If we wanted to find a specific user and reset their state, we could do that here as well. We also work with downstream tools. You can send your Dopt events to external platforms like Segment, Amplitude, Heap, and Mixpanel to see your flow info along with your other product data. Hopefully this video has shown you how easy it can be to analyze your flow usage.